In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace images in Figma. Replacing an image is perfect when you're updating a mockup, swapping out placeholders, or refreshing assets without disrupting your layout. Let's walk through it clearly so you get predictable results every time. Start by opening your Figma file that contains the design you want to update. Make sure you're on the design canvas with the layers panel visible so you can easily target the correct element. Next, select the image you want to replace. Click directly on the picture in your frame. If it's inside a group or a component, double-click to drill down or pick it from the Layers panel to be sure you've got the actual image layer. A quick way to confirm your selection is to glance at the right-hand Properties panel. You should see a Fill Set to Image with a small thumbnail. With the image layer selected, look at the right-hand panel and click the image thumbnail in the Fill section. This opens Figma's Image Settings dialog, where you can see the current file preview and options for how it's applied. Choose Upload from Computer. This tells Figma you want to replace the existing asset with a new file from your device while keeping the same layer, size, corner radius, and masks already in your design. Now, browse to the new image you want to use, select it, and confirm with OK or Open. Figma will immediately swap the file in place. Your layout, auto layouts constraints, and any masks or overlays remain intact, so only the visual content changes. A few tips to keep things looking sharp. Try to use an image with a similar aspect ratio to the original to avoid unexpected cropping. If the framing isn't quite right after the swap, adjust the fill mode in the image settings. Fill, fit, and crop give you quick control over how the picture sits inside the layer. When working in a component instance, this replacement becomes an override just for that instance. If you want the new image everywhere, make the change on the main component. And for crisp results on large frames or presentations, choose a high-resolution source image so it doesn't appear soft at 100% zoom. That's it. You've replaced an image in Figma without breaking your layout. Reuse this process across cards, avatars, hero banners, and device mockups to update visuals quickly and consistently.